What if I'm allergic? Oh, that pulled skin right there. I'm supposed to take coat outside like this? Oh my god. Oh, look at me. Brr. Okay, it is kind of pretty though. I'm not gonna lie, I did just cut my hair so that my hair wouldn't be going through an awkward phase, but I still feel like it's in an awkward phase. It's fine. Thankfully, I have lots of wigs. Maybe the next 24 hours will make me appreciate my hair more. One way to find out. Oh, we've got blonde. Could be a vibe. Actually, maybe not. The new wig I dyed to match my hair. Ooh. We've got red. This wig is listed on my Depop. Does that mean I shouldn't wear it today though? I kind of like her. She's like messy. She's like casual. This might be fine. Oh, okay. Did we just find our wig for the day? I think we did. Woo! Before I tie this beauty down and lock her in for life, I have to shower. Let me refresh myself, put on a little cutie little fit, and start this 24 hours. Alrighty, I am all showered. I have a cutie little fit on. Wig caps on. It has been so long since I've done a wig video. I'm like, what do I do? Ah! Oh my god, did my head get bigger? Did my head get bigger? Because this was never this hard. Oh my god. Did my brain get bigger after cosmetology school? Y'all, I'm smart. Yeah. Ow, 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 ow. Get on in there. Yeah. Should I glue it down? I kind of think I should. Glue it down just a little bit. We're not going too crazy, but 24 hours includes sleeping. Let's get the glue. Oh, that felt like a lot. That felt like a lot, y'all. I am glad that I haven't. Ah! Oh, it's on my pants. I need no sideburn exposure today. None. Oh! Oh my god, this is pouring out everywhere. Okay, we are almost ready to go, y'all. Y'all, if you haven't watched my original trying on wigs for 24 hours videos, please go check those out. I was so young filming them, but there's still a good time. Oh, this feels pretty good. I'm just gonna like hold this down. The glue is still wet. The glue is definitely still wet. Oh my gosh! Ah! Something comes over me when I wear wigs, y'all. Something comes over me. It just feels so like natural. I do have to go out and brave the cold today because we have got some things to do. Does this look good? Or does this make my head look really big? I can't tell. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This wig is keeping me kind of warm. Oh, might get a little bit colder. It's so cold. Oh my gosh, the wig is so windblown now. Oh my gosh. I do not do well in winter. My windshield wipers don't even move. And we're off. My eyes are peeled to see if anyone's looking over at me. No, it's not a wig. Stop looking at me. Still looking. I only feel moderately insecure. Don't look at me. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. My hair is stuck in my jacket. Literally, it felt like everyone was staring at me. My head feels so huge with this wig on. Like, does it just look like I have voluminous hair, or is it obvious? Oh my gosh. Also, y'all, I think I put this wig on like too tight. Like it hurts the back of my head. Woo! I am more uncomfortable from the weather than I am about the wig. And I think that's saying something. And now we're off to the next store. My hat. Oh, this is rough. I can't see anything. Oh my god. Something is in my eye. I'd be insecure if people were looking at me, but honestly, I can't see.
Okay, go.
Oh my gosh, where did my hat go? Where did my hat go again? Where are you? For some reason, like everywhere is out of tofu. Like I don't know what's happening, but I'm suspicious. I was really trying to like push it and stay out until I got hungry enough to like buy myself food somewhere, like treat myself, but it's just like too cold to be out and about, I'm not gonna lie. 27 degrees. We're going home. Whew, found my hat. Figures, today would be the one day I meet a neighbor. Hello, I'm back. How do I look? So I recently started working at a barbershop 4 days a week, and already my to-do list is like ginormous. Cleaning up, cleaning up, cleaning up. They're gonna run in like 0.2 seconds. Well, that was a lot. I definitely made this wig too tight. Ah! It's in my eye. Oh my gosh. Oh, that hurts every time. Everything hurts. The wig is so nicely and beautifully glued down. To loosen it, I have to like undo it from the inside. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll clip it up. Yeah, maybe let's clip it up. I forgot how cute clipping up hair was. Ah! What if I break it? Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, I thought I was close, but I wasn't. Oh, I got it. Woo! Did that do something or what? Oh, that feels so much better. This is not moving. This is staying on for 24 hours. Oh my goodness. Let me know what you think. Be honest. Sending you another snap. So I had to loosen my wig, so I put it up in a clip, and I actually like it.
Oh, Chappel? Chappel, is that you?
Do you think it's pretty? Should I grow my hair out and dye it red like this?
Yeah, I love it.
She likes it. Y'all, I saw this video the other day. Oh, I do not know how to say this word.
Gochujang.
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 I'll slow it down.
Gochujang.
That didn't sound slower. So tonight I'm making gochujang mac and cheese. You need to go out? I can't go outside again. My teeth are chattering. Hey y'all, I'm about to teach you how the magic gets made, okay? Oat milk, garlic, plant-based butter, nutritional yeast, plant-based cheddar, soy chicken, and my gochujang sauce. Oh my god, it looks so good. I have to send my girlfriend a photo. I am the equivalent of like an iPad kid, but I was born in the mid-90s, so I can't just eat food. I have to watch something at the same time. Harry Potter. Hot, hot. All cozy on the couch. This is so itchy. You look so comfy. Yeah, the good stuff. I think it's time for bed. Ow! Ow! Oh, that pulled. Oh, that pulled skin right there. Oh, the sides are lifting a little bit right there. Oh my gosh. Y'all, my skin is so itchy. What if I'm allergic? What if I'm allergic? Oh no. At least we have 2/3 still on. Not bad. Oh, I'm basically the princess in the pea. I basically am. So I don't think I'll sleep that well tonight. Maybe that sleepy time tea will pull in for me. What do you think, Code? Wish me luck. Remember this wig how it is now. We'll see how good it looks in the morning. Oh my, wow. This wig moved all the way down my face. It's touching my eyebrows. Oh. I'm supposed to take Coda outside like this? God. Oh, just like this. The wig got a little, flat. Oh my hair is just right there. Something is holding on right here and it's doing all the work. Alright, y'all. It is time to take a shower. So let's tie it up and see how this works. Flipped up. Oh, we look great. Honestly, this is a lot better than I thought it would be. I really think the headband did all the work. I only have about 30 minutes left of this 24 hours, but I still want to feel cute for the last 30 minutes, okay? That's why I'm doing some mascara. I really thought sleeping last night. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why does this just look like a mullet? Oh my god. Oh, that lift was real bad. Oh my goodness. Something tells me that this is like it. Can we make it 24 hours? Well, y'all, we did that. Almost 24 hours. That was so close. I was really just over it. If I went the whole 24 hours without touching it, the wig would already be down my forehead. Let me know that you like this video by clicking the thumbs up down below, and I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, that's the wig cap. Oh my god. Okay, bye.